In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import Outlook account settings. We'll walk through moving your mail, contacts, and calendar using the Import Fay Export wizard in Classic Outlook, so you can safely take your data to another computer or profile. This is for the classic desktop version of Outlook, not the new simplified Windows app. Let's start with exporting. With Outlook open, go to the File tab in the top left. From there, choose Open and Export. Then select Import Fay Export to launch the wizard. When the wizard opens, pick Export to a file and click Next. On the next screen, choose Outlook Data File, also called a .pst, and click Next again. Now you'll decide what to export. Select the specific email account or the top-level mailbox folder that contains everything you want. Make sure the Include Subfolders box is checked so that all mail, calendar items, contacts, and any nested folders come along. Click Next to continue. You'll now choose where to save the export. Click Browse. Select a safe location such as a dedicated folder or a removable USB drive. And give the file a clear name so you'll recognize it later. Confirm the location, then click Finish to create the .pst file. Depending on the size of your mailbox, this may take a little while. Keep Outlook open until it's done, and remember where you saved the file since you'll need it for the import. When you are ready to import the data into another Outlook profile or computer, open Classic Outlook there and go to File. Then open and Export, and select Import Fay Export. In the wizard, choose Import from another program or file. Then click Next. Select Outlook Data File, .pst, and click Next again. Click Browse to locate the .pst file you exported earlier. You'll see options for handling duplicates. You can replace duplicates with items imported. Allow duplicates to be created, or choose not to import duplicates at all. Pick the one that best fits your situation and click Next. Finally, choose where the data should go. In most cases, you'll select your current mailbox as the destination so everything merges into your existing folders. Click Finish, and Outlook will begin bringing your items in. Larger files may take some time to complete. When it's done, check your mail, calendar, and contacts to confirm everything looks right. That's it. Thanks for watching.